Yeah, right here, Ton Son Mosque.
Ton Son.
Ah, thank you. Great, man. This is awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good one. Thank you so much. Guys, welcome to the, thank you. Welcome to Ton Son Mosque. This is the old mosque found in period during the reign of the King Nara the Great in 1688. Look, all you need to know, guys, is this is probably the oldest mosque in the whole of Thailand. Let's go find it, man. Let's go find it.
400 years old.
400 years old.
400 years
Oldest
old.
mosque in Thailand.
Yeah, from Ayutthaya.
Wow.
Yeah.
Who built it?
A reproduction. The most reproduction.
Oh, this is the mosque?
Yeah.
This is it?
You take a look inside.
Oh, please. Wow. Ton Son Mosque.
Ton Son Mosque.
It's open, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. What's your name, my friend?
My name Ahmed.
Ahmed. Salaam alaikum, Ahmed. My name is Hassan.
My King Rama VIII and King Rama IX used
Wow.
come back in the mosque.
So, what does this say?
King Rama IX.
King Rama II.
King Rama IX.
And he's Muslim?
No.
No.
King Rama VIII.
Oh, okay. He's a Thai king back then.
The king.
All right. So it's probably like the Thai king of this era here. Probably came and visited the mosque. You can see the imam. This one's imam, and this is like the Thai royalty. Maybe they came and visited the mosque sometime probably close to 100 years ago. So this is. Let's go inside. Let's check it out, man. Leave the shoes outside. Bismillah. Wow. Let's just have a look at the architecture. It gives me sort of
400 years old.
400 years old.
Yeah.
Subhanallah. I wonder if I can. How fragile is it?
Mirror.
Wow.
Mirror.
Mihrab, yeah. So this is like where the imam stands.
Yeah.
He talks. He gives his lectures.
Pama, Burn, Ayutthaya.
This looks very old as well. Oh, really?
Yeah.
This is
The most in Ayutthaya is burned.
it's burning.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is like a piece of it that survived.
Kalamullah. Yeah.
Right.
And our last. Yeah.
Wow. And this says
Yeah.
La ilaha
Makkah,
illallah
yeah.
Muhammad Rasulullah. And yes, Mecca, the palm trees of Saudi Arabia. Ah, thank you so much, brother. Shukriya. Thank you so much. Give me a nice pamphlet. 400 years old. Wow. Is there the women, sisters, hijab?
Women, yeah.
Where do they pray?
Inside.
In this side here?
Yeah, inside here.
Okay, so like they pray here.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Women stay here.
Yeah, so okay, they get their half. Oh, here. Wow, mashallah. Can I go inside?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Oh wow, okay, yes, empty, so no one's in here, so that's fine. Yeah, have a look. So this is the prayer room of the sisters. Very nice. It smells really nice, actually. Yeah, it actually smells really, really good. It's like some nice ass, I don't know, fragrance of some sort they've got. Alright guys, let's head outside. I'm starting to cook up in here. It's quite warm. I might just close this door. Okay, nice. This looks really old. I don't know what this is. Seems like it's closed. Let's go find out. To take off my glasses to look inside. Oh, that's how you open it? Okay, cool. guys, so the trick is just push in the opposite direction. God, whoa, heard something just run straight up. I don't know what it was. God, what was that noise? Just seems like an all storage office space. You got some Islamic madrasa books and some photos of some people. 2514, 2509 to 2515. If you guys do a quick Google search, you'll find out what those numbers are. They're the Thai years. So the Thai people have their own year. Like in the Islamic world, we've got our own one after Hijrah. So if you Google what's 2509 to 2513, you'll find out when this person was born and when this person, I don't think that's when they were born actually, because that's 4 years. So it's probably when this person was in charge of something. Maybe the mosque, who knows, maybe he was the president of the mosque. This one is
your friend King Thaksin.
King Thaksin.
Your friend
His
King
friend.
Thaksin, yeah.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
He's the king's friend,
Yeah.
Muslim friend,
Muslim.
mashallah.
From Shia, from Sunni. This everybody Shia.
Oh, so this side is the Shia?
Shia, normally problem.
Okay. And then the Sunni.
Yeah.
Wow, so
Take a look.
oh wow, guys, they got Shia Thai. Maybe they're not Thai, I don't know, we'll find out. But oh, okay. Oh wow, yes, information here. The cemetery of Ton Son Mosque. The cemetery Ton Son Mosque, also known as Qadiyai, has history in excess of 300 years. SubhanAllah, it has been linked to Muslim community in the area from Ayutthaya period up until the present day. Oh guys, I'm gonna have to let you guys Google the rest, but that's incredible. So there's some very, very prominent Thai Muslims who are buried here. Some were in high military positions, some of them were friends of the king. And that's one over there, right? Yeah. So this side over here, Shia Thai Shia people.
Yeah.
I'm just curious to know because I've never met Shia Thai people. This is really
From
new to me.
Sukhothai.
From Sukhothai.
Yeah, last Ayutthaya.
Wow. From Sukhothai somewhere. I remember, I know the name, but I just can't figure out where.
Your wife, King Rama II.
King Rama's friend.
Wife,
Oh, wife.
King Rama II. You are Muslim.
Wow. Dude, this is the wife. And maybe the what do they call it? Gravestones shaped with the roses are maybe the females. Because there seems to be a whole section of them.
Your name, Si Sulalai.
Siu Solalai?
Yeah.
Okay, and she's the wife?
Wife, King Rama V.
Oh, King Rama.
King Rama V.
King Rama V's wife. Wow. That cat keeps following us.
Father.
The father of the wife.
Wife, King.
Okay. Name?
Sin.
Sin?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. From 2391 to 2453.
Wife, King Rama II.
Wife of the King Rama II. Wow, okay.
King Rama II. Mother, you are Muslim.
MashaAllah. Wow. So this is his second wife?
Yeah.
Second wife.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Yeah.
Hong.
Name?
Hong.
Hong.
Yeah.
Okay. Brother, I am going. Thank you so much for showing me.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Where you come from?
From Somalia.
Somalia.
Yeah.
How long you live in Bangkok?
Maybe 1 week.
1 week.
and then I go Malaysia maybe or some other country next.
But today you sleep?
Today I come and just look at the mosque and find some halal food to eat and relax. Do you know where I can get halal food?
Halal food from the mosque, Ilan Luci, Siap Bangkok.
Another place?
Yeah, you work on the bit. This halal,
3 minutes.
yeah.
Okay,
yeah,
so
you work from
walk down this road.
this work. Okay, this way.
This way over here.
Yeah,
Okay.
this behind.
Behind the river.
Yeah.
Okay, will do. Thank you so much, my friend.
My name
Allah
Muhammad.
Hafiz. Your name Muhammad? My name
You're
Hassan.
welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Alright, guys, time to go. I hope you enjoyed that vlog. I know I enjoyed coming over here. One thing though, there's a guy, I don't know if that was the same as the first guy. Was the first guy's name Ahmed? I don't know, man. Actually, let me see if I can buy some cold water.